What time do you get up? What time do you get up? តើអ្នកក្រោកពីគេងនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន I usually get up at 5 a.m. I usually get up at 5 a.m. ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំក្រោកពីគេងនៅម៉ោង 5 ព្រឹក What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? តើអ្នកញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន I have breakfast before going to school. I have breakfast before going to school. ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកមុនពេលទៅសាលារៀន Where do you usually have breakfast? Where do you usually have breakfast? តើជាធម្មតាអ្នកញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅឯណា I usually have breakfast at home. I usually have breakfast at home. ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅផ្ទះ